Sa Subcommission on Cultural Communities and Traditional Arts. Sa aming pong subcommission, kami po ay binubuo ng tatlong komite. No, ang Northern Cultural Communities, Central Cultural Communities, at Southern Cultural Communities. Sa aming mga call for proposals for this 2025, laging tinatanong sino-sino ba itong mga cultural communities na to. So, ito naka-focus at naka-highlight sa ating tinatawag na mga indigenous peoples. So, alam naman natin na in some aspects, nagiging marginalized sila kasi hindi sila naka-mainstream. No? But with the subcommission on cultural communities and traditional arts that we have here in NCCA, kasama natin sila. So, ano ba yung pinakamalaking focus ng aming subcommission for 2025 call for proposals? So we want to have a synergy, no? Especially on highlighting the cultural practices of our cultural communities through to give importance on our intangible cultural heritage. So makikita nyo mamaya or sa ating mga call for proposals sa amin sa subcommission, naka-highlight ang importance ng intangible cultural heritage on how to document, to profile with all of these things because these are part of our identity. And then another one, alam naman natin, most likely itong mga IP communities na to dahil sila yung parang naiiwanan or what. Marami po sa mga proposals namin for 2025 is how to capacitate them. So mga capacity building po, no? At ngayon, hindi lang mga kasi minsan akala natin pag IP community yung mga IP na mga tribes and everything. But actually, we are all IPs, no? Even yung mga mainstreams. So, bakit may capacity building? Kasi kapag on the training grounds or what, laging tinatanong, sino ba yung mga cultural workers? Paano ba maging cultural worker? No? Ano ba yung kailangan mo para maging kang isang cultural worker? So minsan nagkakabuhol-buhol yung mga yan. Kaya nagkakapatong-patong kung ano yung mga dapat ginagawa. So more than the capacity building, we also highlighting the role of the young people in their participation in their local arts and culture councils. No? Kasi kailangan may transfer na rin, no, ng ating mga gawain, pangkultura at sining sa ating mga cultural communities. And at the same time, another highlight also of